Section 155. Information regarding non-cognizable offences. Section 155(2). Without magistrate order, police shall not investigate a non-cognizable case. Section 155(4). Even if one of the many offences is cognizable, case is deemed as cognizable offence. Section 156. Investigation of cognizable case by police. Section 157. Procedure for such investigation. Section 159. Magistrate power to hold investigation or preliminary inquiry. Section 160. Attendance of witness by the investigating police officer. Section 161. Male child below 15 years cannot be called to police station. Section 161. Examination of witnesses by police, which we call it case diary statement. Section 162. Use of statements made to police in evidence. Section 162(1). No statement to be used for any other purposes. Section 163. No inducement to be offered by police. 164. Recording of confession by magistrate. Any judicial. Section 164(a). Medical examination of the victim of rape. Section 165. Search by police officer during investigation, even without warrant. Section 166. Search within the limits of another police station. Section 166(a). Letter of request to foreign countries for investigation. 166(b). Principle of reciprocity. Foreign countries can request India for investigation. Section 167(2). Proviso A. Release on bail. Statutory bail. Section 169. Release of accused when evidence is deficient. Section 172. Police diary, case diary, special diary, station house report. Section 173. Police report on completion of investigation. Section 174. Police to inquire and report on suicide, etc. Section 174(3). Curbing violence against women. 176. Inquiry by magistrate in custodial death by police. Section 177. Ordinary place of inquiry and trial. Section 188. Offences committed outside India on wakes on high seas. Section 190. Cognizance of offence by judicial magistrate. Section 196. Prosecution for offences against the state / national integration. Section 197. Prosecution of judges and public servants. 198. Prosecution for offences against marriage. Section 199. Prosecution for defamation. Section 200. Examination of complaint by magistrate.